So I think now you must have a question about which institutions are excluded from NEETPG. Firstly, dear friends, remember, none of the aims are included in NEETPG. Means if you're seeking admission to postgraduate courses in aims, then NEETPG is not for you. You need to give a separate exam for aims, all right? Secondly, you have JIPMER Puducherry. Thirdly, you have PGI MER, which is in Chandigarh. And fourth, you have NIMHANS, which is in Bangalore. Now, most importantly, we need to discuss what is the eligibility criteria for appearing in NEETPG. Number one, you need to have a MBBS degree, right? So if you are an MBBS graduate, make sure that you have completed your degree and you have the concerned board's certificate with you. Secondly, you need to ensure that you complete your internship before the exam results are declared. So if I'm talking about NEETPG 2023, so your internship should be completed ideally before 31st of March. So let's move on to the application process for NEETPG. Like most of the entrance exams, the entire application process for NEETPG is completely online, right? And the two important things that you need to upload while applying is your picture, your photograph in the desired format, and your signature. And there is an application fee which is different for different categories of students. So make sure you check it out and fill the required, registration fee before completing the registration process. Alright. Talking about the exam pattern. So completely, there are going to be 200 questions in the entire exam, which you need to attempt in 3.5 hours duration. Each question carries 4 marks each, means the entire paper is of 800 marks. For every correct answer that you give, so you're going to be awarded 4 marks. But if you attempt a negative, if you give an incorrect answer, so you're going to be, penalized 1 mark for that. So ideally, you need to make sure that if you're very sure, only then attempt a question. Otherwise, it's important that you leave it. Why? Because it's a competitive exam. So every mark matters. Okay, now I'm going to be talking about, I think, the most important aspect of the entire exam. Yes, that's the syllabus. Because the syllabus for NEETPG exam covers your entire MBBS course. Yes. Why? Because, you are appearing for an exam which gives you the right to practice medicine, across the country, isn't it? So when I'm talking about the subjects, so it's divided into, the entire syllabus is divided into 3 parts: preclinical, paraclinical, and clinical. So the preclinical subjects include anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. Okay, these 3 subjects comprise the preclinical subjects. Okay, the paraclinical subjects include pathology, pharmacology, and microbiology. Okay. Now, when we are talking about the clinical subjects, mind you, these subjects actually, they carry a lot of weight in the entire exam. So the clinical subjects include medicine and allied subjects, okay, surgery and allied subjects, obstetrics and gynecology, community medicine and pediatrics. All right. So this is what the entire syllabus is. It's in a snapshot. If you go through the detailed syllabus which is there on the website, so you will get an exhaustive, information about all the entire syllabus. Please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be very glad to help you out. Thank you.